Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update records and import in Copper CRM. Okay, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top left, click on it, click on your profile, then click on workspace settings. Okay, in here under manage your data, okay, we have this drop down. Click on import data. Now go ahead and select either companies, people, or it could be pipeline records that you wanted to import. Okay, say for example, I'm going to import people. Okay, I have CSV right here. I'm going to choose the file. And I have here people. I'm going to click on open, wait for it to load. Now in here, once you're on this page, what you'll do is make sure that you tick on this manage matching records option. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on this drop down that says select field. Okay, you're going to want to choose the key field for matching your records. For example, you have email right here or the record ID. You can skip if a match is found. This does not update the record. Okay, you're going to want to select overwrite if a match is found. Okay, as it will update the existing record with the data from your file. Okay, again, skip does not update the record. Overwrite right here updates the existing record with the data from your file. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and go to the very bottom and click on continue import. Okay, now some notes here. People, email, and company domain fields are key fields for matching, but Copper ID is not. So when you go ahead and click on Copper ID right here, as you can see, it says you need to select field first. So email is what we need in here. Now, you can import new data into existing custom fields or create a new custom field as part of the import process. And if you're trying to import a tag or tags, you can choose to either append the new tags to the existing ones or, again, overwrite them entirely. Now, before importing, it's good practice to export your data, clean up any duplicates, and standardize naming conventions in a spreadsheet before importing with the update existing record option. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.